Let's start today's lecture. As we know very well, syllabus is complete, revision we have made. Now I have a question for you, that is, if you have any doubt, ask. Otherwise, we'll start with a map work in which you are extremely rich.
Excuse me,
Anji,
ma'am.
2, can be 3 even. So let's start the map work. We're going to make map. You people can draw your map, your wish. You people can look at this, but you have to be attentive, very much attentive, because you know very well we people are really poor in maps, and you people need lot and lot of practice in this. Because if students who really want to score good marks, if they won't do practice of maps, they won't be able to get marks. So look at this, what I'm going to make, and you have to identify. Got it? You have to identify the feature. I will not tell you is it river, is it a peak, is a range, is what, this and that. I will not tell you anything. You yourself have to let me know what it is. This.
Chilika Lake.
Chilika
No.
Lake.
Yes,
Chilika
online.
Lake. Chilika
This is
Lake.
That's correct.
Chilika Lake.
That's correct.
Chilika Lake.
Chilika Lake. Now let's talk about why it is not Mahanadi Delta. Just imagine if I would have done like that. Say if I've done it like this, then it is Mahanadi Delta. Is this point clear? But what I've done, I've just made one halki si dot, that is Chilika Lake. Good. This. One line. This. Hurry up. Offline. Online, no, none. Okay, options I'm going to give you. Park Strait, Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Cambay, or Delta of River Krishna.
Delta of River Krishna.
Delta of River Krishna.
Delta of River Krishna.
Okay, yes, what you are saying?
Delta of River Krishna.
Delta of River
No, it is
Krishna.
not Delta of River Krishna. It is Gulf of Mannar. What it is? Very simple. Park Strait. Okay.
Park Strait.
What is the degree of westernmost line of longitude of line? What is the degree of westernmost line of longitude? No. Online. Online. What is the degree of westernmost longitudinal line? No one. This is 68 degree 7 minute east. Learn it. 68 degrees 7 minute east is the westernmost longitudinal line of India. Okay, this is, what is it? Which line it is? What is its degree?
0 degree.
Online. Online.
Ma'am, is this joined? Ma'am, is this joined with the southern part of India?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 8 degree 4 minute north.
That's correct. 8 degree 4 minute north. This is the southernmost latitudinal line of India. Next, name the northernmost latitudinal line of India. Eight degree 4
37
minute
degree.
north, northernmost degree is
37 degree 6
37
minutes
degree.
north.
yes,
37 degree
6
Degree 6 minute north.
right.
North.
37 degree 6 minute north. Yes. Why north? This is also north. This is also north. Why is like this? Why this is not south?
Ma'am, northern hemisphere.
Yes, because India is situated in northern hemisphere. India is situated in northern hemisphere. That's why both degrees are in north. Got the logic, Keshav? Otherwise, we say this is north of India, this is south of India. If we are talking about India. If we are talking India from the world point of view, we will say it is situated north of this equator. So that's why 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This degree
97
No.
degree 25
97 degree 25 minutes.
that's correct.
east.
97 degree 25 minute east. In between this, India is located. Question can be asked. What is the importance of its latitudinal location? If India is situated in between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, what is the impact of these latitudinal lines on India? Yeah, question can be asked. If India is situated between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, longitudinal extension is this, then what is its impact on India? Any one of you? First of all, let's talk about latitudinal implication. Latitudinal implication means if India is situated in between 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north, what is its implication on India? What is its importance? How come it affect India? Yes, any one of you? Online? Yes, online?
Ma'am, as the southern part of India is closer to the equator,
Okay,
it
hold on.
receives more heat from the sun.
Hold on. The first point given by one of the students, that is southern part of India. 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north, and in between which line, which latitudinal line is passing through? Equator is passing through south of India. Why you people cram? What is the degree of equator? 0 degree. So 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6 minute north, in between 0 would come. Then where 0 would be?
Tropic of Cancer.
Tropic of Cancer.
Southern. तो फिर 0 क्यों बोला? Common sense. Don't cram the things. Sometimes we have to use, or rather we should use common sense. 0 degree can't be anywhere in this map. 0 is definitely below it, because southern part of India degree is written in front of you. 8 degree 4 minute. So in between 8 to 37 degree, here we have very important line, that is Tropic of, and what is
Tropic
its
of
degree?
Tropic of Cancer.
20
23 and
What
a
is
half
its degree?
half degree.
degree north.
Keshav, close.
23 and a half degree north.
Half degree.
Yes, what is the degree of Tropic of Cancer?
23 and a half
23 and a
degree
half.
north.
Yes, 23 and a half degree north. So 23 and a half degree north. Now, Bhumika or Bhavna, they have given 1 point. The southern part of India, question is latitudinal implication. The southern part of India, this part of India enjoys high temperature throughout the year. Right point. Okay, what else?
The difference of the duration of day and night from the southern and the northern part.
Kindly, Prabhu, bit louder. Here there is noise. I'm not able to listen.
Ma'am, the difference in the duration of day and night from the southern part to the northern part.
That's right. Duration of day and night is almost same here. But as we are moving from southern area towards the northern area, duration of day and night difference increases. Here duration of day and night is same. But as we are moving from this area to that area, it increases. Okay, what else? What else? Seasons are not formed due to latitudes. Seasons are formed due to revolution of the earth around sun. Time is not at all affected by latitudes. We have done it. You are not using your common sense, you are just speaking. What else?
Ma'am, the northern part lies in the Ma'am, as the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts, the northern part lies in the temperate zone and the southern part lies closer to equator and lies in the tropical zone.
So I guess we are saying this part we don't have high temperature, and here we have high temperature because close to equator and in between tropical region, we can say under the effect of trade winds. Okay, what else? Here temperature is more, here rainfall is more, here temperature is as compared to this it's less, and we have extreme type of climatic condition because away from the sea. What else? If you are talking about longitudinal implication, any one main point, longitudinal implication. What is the importance of longitudes? Longitudes and latitudes both are used to find out the location of any place. If you remember, we have done it in the junior classes. Latitudes and longitudes both are important to find out the location of any place on earth. But specifically when we talk about longitudes, longitudes may we talk about what? We talk about time. If you remember, how many longitudes are total on the earth? How many longitudes are there? This is globe. Wake up all of you. This is North Pole.
5.
How many longitudes if you remember? Don't try to count it. These I'm not going to make all longitudes. Just giving you
360.
an idea.
360.
Yes, right.
360.
These are
360.
total longitudinal lines are 360 or 360 degrees are here. So 360 degrees means, and the central longitudinal line we consider which line? The line which is passing through
Prime meridian passing through Greenwich.
That's right.
Greenwich.
In England. And what is the degree of that Greenwich line? What is the degree? Yes, 0 degree. What is the degree of Greenwich line? That is 0 degree. So it means what? 180 degree east and 180 degree west. Total 360. Say this is 0 degree line. Toward this side there are 180 degree. Toward this side also there are 180 degree. And 180 and 180. That is single line. We don't have two 180 lines. We just have single line. Is this point clear? So it means what? 180 degree east and 180 degree west. Total lines will be 360. Got it? And say this is 0, 15, 30, 45 degrees. In the same way, gap of 15 degrees. Now, in between 0 to 15 degree, how many degrees are there? 15. Very right. In between 15 to 30, how many degrees are there? 15. So, we say 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. It means if we want to cross from 1 degree to 2nd degree, how much difference of time is here? 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
4 minute difference means 0 to 15. How many degrees are there? 15 degrees. 15 degree means 15 degree multiplied by 4 minute is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Is this point clear?
1 hour.
Everywhere. Either east
Yes, ma'am.
or west, 30 degree west, 45 degree west. There is a gap of 1 hour or 1 degree of longitude is equal to 4 minutes. Is this point clear? Yes. Got it?
Yes,
Wake
ma'am.
up. Good morning, Keshav. That's good. At the end of 9th standard, you have got the answer of very first chapter. Very good. That's why we don't have the same time everywhere in the world. इसी वजह से if we are in India, हमारा time is different from America, from Canada, from England, from Australia, from other countries of the world. Just because of this reason. Happy now? Ultimately, one beautiful concept got cleared today. है ना? But one more concept we are going to discuss right now. Ki there is a difference of, we have done 60, 15 degree difference, matlab 1 hour difference, 1 hour difference, 1 hour difference, like this. And if here timing is 4 a.m. on 15 degree east, timing would be 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Here it would be 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, something like this. Is this point clear? Keshav actually is so happy internally. है ना? ऐसा ही है. When our concepts get cleared, we really feel good. That is the importance of education. If we keep on learning, keep on cramming the things, it gives us boring kind of feeling. But when concepts get clear, we अच्छा इस वजह से ये तो मुझे पता नहीं था ना. We feel good. That is the beauty of education. So that's why time everywhere in the world is not same. Just imagine right now we have say 9:15, yeah, say 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. So if we want to find, okay, one more thing I have left. As we are moving from 0 degree towards east, there would be increase in time, 5, 6, 7. As we are moving from 0 degree towards west, decrease in time. Because earth revolves from west to east. ठीक है जी? Okay. So if, now simple, Keshav for you and for all those who are sitting online, it's for you also. If on one, okay, let it be 175 degree east, timing is 9 a.m. 175 degree east, timing is 9 a.m. हाँ जी, वैसे बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? What would be the timing on 50 degree east? 8 a.m. सोच के बोलो. 150 to 175. How many difference of degrees? 25. हाँ जी. First of all, tell me timing would increase or decrease?
7:20.
Decrease. Okay. Timing would definitely decrease. So 175 degree in timing is 9 a.m. How much difference of degrees are here?
720.
1 degree is
720.
equal to 25 degree would be equal to, no, sorry, okay, that's correct. 100 minutes means 100 minutes means 60 plus 40 minutes, मतलब 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes means here timing is 9 a.m. How much we have to go back? 7:20. That's correct. 7:20 a.m. Online, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? So that is a very important and questions can be asked. हाँ जी, हाँ. Okay, if we want to know about India, difference of 68 and 97. ठीक है? There is a difference of how many degrees? Almost 30 degree. 97 minus 60, that is almost 30 degree. 30 degree means how many hours? 2 hours. It means 2 hours. So it means what? If we want to see the clock for the timing of Arunachal Pradesh, which is in extremely east, and Gujarat, which is in extremely west, difference of actually in reality, how much difference of time is there? 2 hours. Say right now, if we are in Gujarat, timing is 9 a.m. A hypothetical, it is not in reality. What would be the timing here? 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. or 9 a.m. Just imagine, if I'm calling, say I'm here or I'm anywhere, and if I'm calling my friend from Assam, from Arunachal, okay, you come in the evening, we'll have tea together, right? So he has planned, एयरप्लेन से आया, मैंने बोला कि शाम के 5 बजे we'll have tea together. तो मेरे जब 5 बजेंगे उसकी वॉच पे कितना टाइम होगा? 7 बजेंगे. Do you think we will be able to meet with each other? No.
No, ma'am.
Because he will move according to his watch, I will move according to my watch. So to avoid this confusion, what we have done? We have selected one line of longitude, which runs through center of India. And degree of this line is 82 degree 30 minute east. And we have given this line Indian Standard Time. What does it mean? Whatever the timing would be on this 82 degree 30 minute east, the timing here is 9 a.m. right now. Everywhere on each and every part of India, what would be the timing? 9 a.m. Now, if I'll call my friend from Assam and I'm in Gujarat, he come and we'll have tea together at 4. Do you think now we would be able to meet? Yes, because his watch as well as my watch would show the same time. Is this point clear? There are certain countries like we have a gap of 2 hours. 2-hour gap is not enough. Means it's not a big gap. Sometimes what happen in certain countries, location of countries like this, width maximum hai. 82 degree, yes. Some of the countries are like this, like Canada, Russia. They are like this. Say here it is, for example only, 160 degree west. And this is, say, 120 degree east. Look at this. 160 degree west and 120 degree east. How much difference of degrees? 40. 160, 120, 40 हुए. Okay, here we have, this is east and this is west. अब देखो, 0 to 120 degree east. 120, 0 to 160 degree. चलो इतना नहीं भी लेते. Let it be, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं भी लेते. Let it be like this, 160 degree west and 0 degree. Say 0 degree. How many difference of degrees? 160. So do you think कि अगर मैं बोलूँ यहाँ पे 7 बजे हैं, 7 a.m. So what would be the timing in reality here? 160 degree west, 0. How many difference of degrees? Almost
640 minutes.
Or how many difference of degrees? Okay, 160. How many
160
hours I mean? 10 सीधे आ गए. 10 hours plus how many minutes?
40.
10 minutes online. Am I correct? 10. 6 hours. 6 hours कैसे हुए? 6 hours कैसे हुए? 160 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 4 मिनट, 15 डिग्री का गैप लो, 15 टेंजा 150, 10 तो सीधे आवर्स हो गए।
40 मिनट्स आगे, 10 hours 40
40
minutes.
minutes, 10 hours 40 minutes.
10 hours and
40 minutes.
40 मिनट। केशव
40
clear कि
minutes.
नहीं समझ में आया ना अभी केशव, कैसे एक्सप्लेन?
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दो।
हाँ तो 160 है, तो बचे कितने मिनट, और डिग्रीज कितनी बची? 6, हाँ 10 डिग्रीज बची ना, 150 डिग्रीज हो गई सीधी, प्लस 10 वो बच गई, टोटल कितना बन गया? 160। 10 डिग्रीज मतलब 40 मिनट्स, 10 hours and 40 minutes. Is this point clear? Now my question is, अगर यहाँ पे 7 AM है, 10 hours and 40 minutes, let it be 11 hours. बैक चले जाओ, यहाँ पे सुबह के 7 बजे, यहाँ पे कितना होगा? शाम के 11 hours पीछे चले जाओ। रात के 7 to 7 कितने आवर्स हो गए? 12, लेट इट बी 8 PM और AM? PM। तो यहाँ हो गए 8 PM। कैन वी से कि आपके सुबह के 7 है, यहाँ पे 8 है, कैन वी से कि पूरी कंट्री में विल हैव वन टाइम? नो, नॉट एट ऑल, दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। यहाँ पे रात है, यहाँ पे सुबह हो चुकी है, सो वी कांट फॉलो। यस, सेंटर में भी नहीं लेंगे। अगर हम सेंटर में लेते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? लेट इट बी 11 hours, 11 को हाफ कर दो, 6 hours, लेट इट बी 6 hours। फिर भी क्या हो गया? 7 पीछे चले जाओ, 6 hours, 1 o'clock। हम ये नहीं कहेंगे 1 बजे सुबह हो गई तो आधी रात होगी। Is it clear? So for such countries whose width is maximum, we can't follow single time. उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? We'll divide the country into various time zones. जैसे कनाडा में है, रशिया में ऐसा ही है। We'll divide the country into various time zone. जैसे इसने बोला 6 ले लो, फिर भी नहीं बात बनी। यहाँ पे हो जाएंगे 1 AM. Even then it is not possible. Yeah, here it is 8 PM and 1 AM. Not possible. So what we will do? We'll divide the country into various time zones. This particular part of country would follow one time zone, this particular second time zone, third time zone, like this. Is this point clear? इसी वजह से आपने कभी देखा होगा, अगर आपके relatives are in Canada or America, if they are towards Vancouver side, timing is entirely different. If they are towards Toronto side, timing is entirely different. If they are in California, timing is entirely different. If they are in New York, दो countries same, America, timing is different. we are lucky, नहीं हमारे नहीं है, क्योंकि विड्थ कम है, हमारी 2 hours की विड्थ है। 2 hours की विड्थ मतलब या 8 होंगे या 9 होंगे, तो उतना एडजस्ट हो जाता है। ठीक है, जैसे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में क्या है, जो विंटर्स के टाइम वहां पे 4 बजे खूब अंधेरा शुरू हो जाता है। 4-5 के आसपास नॉर्थ ईस्ट में अंधेरा है, जब हमारे 4-5 है, तो वहां पे कितना टाइम हुआ होगा? 6। इफ हियर वी हैव 4, तो वहां पे एक्चुअल में कितना टाइम है? 6। अगर यहाँ पे 6 है तो एक्चुअल में वहां पे डिनर टाइम है 8, और दैट कैन बी एडजस्टेड। इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? ऑनलाइन क्लियर? Not even a single child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bhumika,
Yes,
only
ma'am.
you? And Anshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
that's good.
ma'am.
In your exams, such type of questions can be asked. Why we don't follow single time zone? Yeah, what is the importance of time zone? Yeah, here we were discussing the question, longitudinal implication. जितना भी time we come to know, that is just from longitude. जितना भी हमारे किसी कंट्री का टाइम, if we want to know, we have to go through longitude. Latitudes are not at all important. Why? हाँ, ये longitudes हैं. Why they are important? Why not latitudes? No, इसमें भी we can come to know online. No, online. Why we always talk about longitude when we want to know the time? Yes, any one of you? Okay, question is, why we always talk about longitudes when we want to know the time of any country? Why don't we talk about latitudes? Okay, one clue I'm going to give you. It is related with sun rays. Very important clue. Answer
Ma'am,
actually I have
time
given.
is time
Huh?
directly proportional to sun position.
Hold on. Repeat, bache.
Time is directly proportional to sun position.
What is directly proportional to sun's position?
Ma'am, sun rises from in the east.
अगर ईस्ट वेस्ट का चक्कर है फिर तो लेट ओके sun rises from east. One of the student has given this, but I always say sun never rise, sun never set. है ना? Let it be very clear. पता है ना केशव?
Earth
Sun
revolves.
never rise and sun never set. What is the answer of this question?
Earth rotates.
Earth, हाँ, revolves around its own axis. और यहाँ पे हम we are talking about longitude because just imagine this is Earth. Say this is Earth, okay? Yeah, let it be this is Earth, longitudinal line. Sun rays are falling, sun is here, rays are falling. On northern hemisphere, yeah, southern hemisphere. Each and every line of longitude would receive the rays of the sun. Just imagine it. If you are talking about latitudes, sun is here, only these latitudes would receive the ray, this won't receive the ray. So just because of longitudes, each and every longitude receive, if sun is in front, yeah, back, rays of the sun would fall on lines of longitude, and that's why timing we always come to know through longitudes. ठीक है जी?